Hi friends, today we are working on syllables and affixes sort number 41 for words their way. This sort features more words with G. In these words, the G is always going to be hard because it is followed by a placeholder, the silent letter U, to separate it from the vowel that would otherwise make it. When we look at our headers and our anchor words, we notice that we are looking specifically at where the G falls in the words this week. For example, the word guess has the G at the beginning like in our header. When I say the word guess, I notice that I'm not actually voicing the U, I just go straight to the S sound. Moving to the next column, we notice that all of these words are going to have a G-U-E at the end. This column is unique in the fact that not only do we not voice the U, we typically are not actually voicing the last letter E either. In the case of the word tongue, if we deleted the U-E, the word would be tong. So the E actually serves to change the sound of the O. Moving on, all of the words that are going in our final normal column are going to have our word end in a G, such as the word ladybug. Let's go ahead and sort a couple other words together. When we look at the word guard, we notice that it also starts with a G-U, which would bring it over into the same column as guess, since it follows the same spelling pattern. With the word league, I notice that it ends in a G-U-E. Just like with tongue, we don't actually say U or E afterwards when we say league. The final word we'll look at together is iceberg. Just like with ladybug, it ends with a G. Go ahead and sort the rest of your words, and then we'll talk about a couple of the oddballs. How did you do? When you sort on spelling patterns alone, you'll notice that all of the words actually fit into all three columns. However, when we start looking at the sounds that the words make, there are a couple oddballs. Let's start by listening to the words in the GU column. Guess, guard, guest, guitar, guilty, guide, language. I noticed that with language, you actually hear the U in the form of a W. Additionally, there are two G's in this word, and one of them is hard and the other one is soft. So let's go ahead and move that one to the oddball column. The other word in this column, gauge, has both a hard G and a soft G, but no reason for the U. Our last oddball can actually be found in the G-U-E column. Let's read all the words and see if we can figure out why. Tongue, league, fatigue, vague, intrigue, plague, argue. I noticed that you actually say the U when you say argue, where the rest of the words, the U is silent. This is why argue should also be over in the oddball column. As you sort your words this week, pay considerable attention to where the G's fall, and also if the U is voiced or unvoiced.